Ketosis is a metabolic state where the body shifts its primary energy source from carbohydrates to fats. This process happens when carbohydrate intake is significantly reduced, prompting the body to seek alternative fuel sources. Typically, the body converts carbohydrates into glucose, a simple sugar that provides energy to cells. When carbohydrates are scarce, the liver starts breaking down fats into fatty acids and ketone bodies, which can be used by the brain and other tissues as an energy source. The switch to ketosis usually takes 2 to 4 days of carbohydrate restriction or fasting, depending on individual metabolism and activity level. The most notable ketone bodies produced are acetoacetate, beta-hydroxybutyrate, and acetone. In this state, insulin levels drop, and the body increases its reliance on stored fat for fuel. As a result, many people notice accelerated weight loss during ketosis because the body is consistently burning fat for energy. Ketosis is the underlying principle of ketogenic diets, which advocate consuming high amounts of fats, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrates. This dietary pattern forces the body into ketosis by depleting glycogen stores, the stored form of glucose. The keto diet became popular in recent years for its potential to help with weight loss and its reported benefits for mental clarity and stable energy levels. Some research also supports its use in managing certain health conditions like epilepsy, type 2 diabetes, and polycystic ovary syndrome. However, achieving ketosis can present challenges. Adapting to this state may lead to flu-like symptoms known as the keto flu, including headaches, fatigue, and nausea as the body adjusts. Long-term adherence requires careful monitoring to prevent nutrient deficiencies and maintain electrolyte balance. It's important to distinguish nutritional ketosis from diabetic ketoacidosis, a dangerous condition that affects people with diabetes. DKA involves the uncontrolled buildup of ketones due to insulin deficiency, leading to dangerously high blood sugar and acidic blood levels. Nutritional ketosis, when well managed, is a controlled metabolic state without the extreme blood acidity of DKA. In summary, ketosis is a metabolic shift where the body prioritizes fat as fuel due to a lack of carbohydrates. While effective for some health goals and conditions, it requires careful planning to sustain and should be approached thoughtfully to minimize side effects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.